Hey everyone, in this video we're going to learn about bitwise operators in Python. So bitwise operators manipulate individual bits of numbers and are useful for tasks like data manipulation and optimization. As the name suggests, you can use bit operators to manipulate individual bits of numbers. So there are 5 bitwise operators that we are going to talk about in this video. And one is the bitwise AND operator, the OR operator, exclusive OR operator, the NOT operator, and the left shift and right shift operators. Okay, let's talk about the bitwise AND operator. So here we are just assigning this binary literal value to a variable called number1. Same here. And we are using the bitwise AND operator, which is this. I think this is called ampersand. So we are just assigning the result of this operation into a variable called result AND. And we are just printing here the variables, right? Number1 and number2, and we are using the format function to basically output the binary instead of decimal values. Same here. Okay, so let me go ahead and copy and paste this random code. Okay, so it says the bitwise AND operator combines two numbers, setting each bit to 1 only if both are 1. Okay, so here this is 0. Yeah, here there is, both values are 1, so 1. And here this is 0, this is 1, so it's 0. They are not both 1. Yeah, same here. And here both 1, so 1s. So it's working as expected. Okay, let's talk about the bitwise OR operator. So it combines two numbers, setting each bit to 1 if either is 1. So here we are assigning this binary literal value to a variable called mask, and we are using the bitwise operator here, and we are just assigning the value to, or the result to, the variable called result OR. And we are using again the format function to basically output the equivalent binary values of these value. Okay, let me go ahead and copy and paste this line of code. Okay, so again, it combines two numbers, setting each bit to 1 if either is 1. So if either value is 1, it sets the bit to 1. So here 1, 1, 1, yeah, all correct. Here 0, so it doesn't set the value or the bit to 1. So yeah, it works as expected. So now let's talk about the bitwise XOR or exclusive OR. So this is the symbol. I think this is called caret. So it sets each bit to 1 if either the bits differ, 0 if they are the same. So if either the bits, if the bits differ, it sets it to 1. If 0 are the same, if the value are the same, it sets it to 0. Let me go ahead and copy and paste this line of code. So here the same value, so 0. Here 1, so that's why 0 here, 1 here, so 1. Here the same values, so 0. Yeah, it works as expected. And now let's talk about the bitwise NOT operator. So it inverts all bits, so 1 becomes 0 and 0 becomes 1. So we are just using this set of characters to basically limit the values to just 8 bits. Okay, let me go ahead and copy and paste this line of code. So here, yeah, so it inverts all bits. So 1 to 0, 0 to 1. So here 0, so it makes it 1. Here 0, it makes it 1, and vice versa. And now let's talk about the bitwise shift. So let's talk about the the left shift operator. So here we are using these sets of characters for the left shift. This is the left shift operator. Let me go ahead and copy and paste this line of code. So yeah, we are using these sets of characters to limit the binary to just 8 bits. So we are printing this line and we are printing this line. So that's why we have this output. So this is the original 8 bits, right? And we are using the left shift operator to move it to the left. So here we see that the characters moved, and now here below we don't see the last two ones. So the left shift operator works as expected. And here this is just the right shift operator. So it moves the bits to the right instead of the left. So we see that these two ones move to the right and these two ones move to the right. Okay, so that's all I wanted to cover in this video. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.